Hey gang. I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. Let me be real with you for a second. Most people think becoming a millionaire is about getting lucky, having a rich family, or winning the lottery. But that's not how it works. I started with nothing. No handouts, no investors, no safety net. Just me, a plan, and the fire to change my life. And the steps I'm about to walk you through. They're not theory. They're the exact moves I made to build real wealth. If you follow them with discipline, hunger, and focus, your bank account will thank you. Let's go. First things first, create an investment budget. You can't build wealth if you don't manage what's coming in and going out. Most people have no idea where their money is going. They're spending on impulse, living paycheck to paycheck, and calling it normal. I made it a priority to track every dollar. I created a budget that focused on two things: cutting unnecessary expenses and allocating money toward investments. Not savings, investments. Because money sitting in your bank isn't growing. It's dying. Your budget needs to reflect your goals, not your habits. Every dollar is either working for you or against you. Get it under control. Now here's the part most people skip: investing in yourself. You have to increase your value. I'm not just talking about your resume. I'm talking about your skills, your mindset, your personal brand. I read books, listened to podcasts, joined masterminds, paid for courses. I became obsessed with learning high-income skills: sales, copywriting, investing, branding, negotiation. Because your income will never outgrow your mindset or your skill set. You have to become so valuable in the marketplace that people are willing to pay a premium just to work with you. That doesn't happen by accident. It happens by design. You build your value brick by brick. The next step: open investing accounts. I'm talking about real accounts, brokerage accounts, Roth IRAs, HSA, crypto wallets. Don't just save, invest. I opened my first brokerage account and started buying index funds. I opened a crypto wallet and started buying Bitcoin and Ethereum early. I wasn't trying to time the market, I was trying to be in the market. Because the market rewards time, not timing. I automated my investments so every month, money was flowing into assets without me even thinking about it. It became a habit. And habits build empires. The earlier you start, the more the market works for you. Compound interest isn't just a theory. It's a superpower. Which brings me to the next move: build assets. Assets are the key to getting rich. Not hours worked. Not promotions. Not raises. Assets. Things that make you money while you sleep. I focused on stacking income-generating assets. Rental properties. Dividend-paying stocks. Digital products. My YouTube channel. My online course. My brand. My content. All of these are assets now. They bring me money without trading time for it. You have to shift from consumer to creator. Stop buying liabilities that look cool and start building assets that work for you. You don't need a new phone every year. You need assets that pay for your phone, and everything else. Think long term. Plant seeds now so you can harvest later. Here's the controversial one: use debt strategically. Most people are scared of debt because they've only seen it used badly. Maxed out credit cards. Car loans. Vacations they couldn't afford. But the wealthy use debt differently. They use debt to acquire assets. I used business credit to fund new income streams. I used 0% interest credit cards to buy gear and launch my content. I refinanced strategically to buy real estate. Debt can be a tool or a trap, it depends on how you use it. But if you know how to play the game, you'll never be afraid of it again. I studied how banks operate. I realized they use other people's money to build wealth. So I started doing the same. You don't need to fear debt. You need to master it. Every step I took was intentional. Every move had a purpose. I didn't get rich overnight. I built my empire one brick at a time. Budget. Learn. Invest. Build. Leverage. Repeat. That's the formula. That's the blueprint. And if I can do it, starting with nothing, you can too. Don't let anyone tell you that you need to be lucky. You need to be smart. You need to act. You need to believe that money is a skill, and you can learn it like any other. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Stop scrolling and start building. Open that investing account tonight. Cancel that useless subscription. Read that book. Learn that skill. Build that side hustle. Make your money work harder than you do. Because the clock is ticking, and the earlier you start, the faster you win. Millionaires aren't made by chance. They're made by choice. So make yours now.